back to the pink envelope. I'm doing something brand new. I am doing a 5-box yoga club haul for you guys. These are all yoga club clothes. They are all yoga club outfits. They just might not be my 5 most recent, but they're pretty close. Towards the end of the video, I'm gonna share about how I got these boxes, which have 3 pieces inside, full outfits for $19 each. And I'm talking manduka and teeki and onzie and like stellar brands are in these boxes, not random crap. And I'm also gonna try all the outfits on. I'm gonna do a full try on so you can get a feel for the look. I am a very petite, 5'4", 5'5", 100 to 110 pounds, depending on what's going on in my life, girl. I know a lot of plus size who wear yoga club and everything in between. So I'm wearing yoga club here. This is one of my favorite lounging around outfits. I wear yoga club a ton for mom attire. It is my ultimate mom uniform. Obviously not looking quite like this. I have a lot of good stuff I'm about to show you that comes in here that makes up my mom wardrobe. So let's dive into the first box. Box comes like this. You will find it on your front door sitting like this. It is super happy to open that front door and see that pink box sitting there. They do send you emails when your box is being curated and designed. They send you an email when your box is being shipped, and they send you an email when your box arrives. So you're very much in the know 100% of the time what's going on with your box. And then inside, you open the guy and it looks like this. I have repackaged these boxes. I have already opened all of these. So normally there's a postcard on top that talks about recent promotions, brands, what's going on. This one doesn't have it because of the obvious. Make sure you go and click the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up so that I know what you're liking so I can bring you more coupons, deals, and unboxings just like this. So this guy has a white PMG top in it. Woo, if I can get it picked up. This top is super soft. I love it because it's so long. I can wear it even with denim or leggings. And it has a onzie sports bra inside. This guy is super soft. It is very thin. This is more of one I would wear like lounging around, running errands, working in the yard with kids. It's not like ultra supportive, but it is dang cute. And then it has these leggings, which are some of my favorites. They're super cute. I don't remember. Oh, they're Nyama Soul. So there you go. This is a complete look. $19 freaking dollars. Box 2. So as of right now, I am at a less than $40 investment. In this guy, I got this gray tank by Alternative, super soft. And this green bra, which is so freaking cute and super soft. Let me show you the back of this guy. Oh, that's so cute. And then I got a pair of, oh yeah, these are some of my favorites. These are super cute, y'all. Look at that. These are by Onzie. So $19 got me these pants, this bra, and this gray top. Now, starting off with the box, brand new right now, if you go look on their website, it is not gonna say $19, but I'm gonna tell you how to get there and very quickly and stay there for eternity. Box 3. Here's another thing. My hubby helped me pull this together. Yoga Club doesn't fold their clothes like this, just so you know. When you get it, it's going to be wrapped perfectly. If my husband comes back through and folds the clothes for you, this is what it's gonna look like. Bless his heart, as we say here in Texas, bless his heart. Okay, Inside this, oh yeah, this sucker's super soft. Inside this box is a Viactive tank, which is inside out. But cute nonetheless. Racerback. This is another one I wear with jeans and a ball cap when running errands with the kids. And then I love this sports bra. This sports bra is built a little bit more like this one. You can get out and get stuff done in this sucker. I also can, when I'm working in the yard, take my shirt off and wear this. It's very decent, very covering, very supportive. This is a, what? Is it Threads for Thoughts? Yeah, Threads for Thought. Like I told you earlier, I'm about, so like right now, I'm 5'4" and I'm about 104 pounds right now. This is a size small and it fits me well. You do fill out a style survey and a size survey online to help them curate your box. And here's the matching pants. They have the same texture at the bottom as the sports bra does. Not everything is matching. As you've seen, my other boxes have been coordinating. This is actually a matching set on the pants and the bra I got. So one of the biggest things I hear is, oh my gosh, Samantha, I would never wear that much color. I'm pretty much a black and white kind of girl. Okay, tell them that. They're fine with that. They don't care what you're wearing. You just tell them and they curate around it. You also tell them what you're wearing the clothes for. I don't work out, ever. I did a yoga challenge once with the Yoga Club and it was actually a whole lot of fun. That's the closest I've gotten to doing any kind of yoga. I have the brunch category checked on my profile and just like running errands in mom. Like that's what I do these clothes in all day, every day. Box 4, let's dive in. Oh yeah, so in this box, I got a whole sweater. I don't know how you say it, soybu, S-O-Y-B-U. I don't know how to say that brand. I don't really care how to say it because the sweater is freaking adorable. Look at this guy, super cute. So there you go, here's that guy. And then inside came a Tls Bra. Oh, this is like the other one I showed you. I really liked this one. I think they heard me go on and on about it. Isn't that super cute? Look, I haven't even had a chance to wear it. Tags are still on it. And then these super cool pants. So I'm a color girl. You obviously know what I checked in my profile. I love good color. So I have send me all the things. I don't really do leopard print or animal print. And I did tell them, okay, challenge me. Like, feel free to challenge me and make me not do the same boring stuff. And they sent me some leopard print pants. I can link up that in the text below. They were really cute. They were cute. So I confess that. Okay, these pants are Thread for Thought. And these are actually Capris. So the jacket I'm wearing, these Capri yoga pants, and this cute bra. $19. Pray right. Last guy. This one's really heavy. I don't know what's in it. Oh yeah, so you're gonna catch a trend. They send based on the season and they send all sorts of stuff. So sometimes I get a basic t-shirt and sometimes I get a jacket like this or a full out dadgum hoodie. This is a Free People hoodie. Yeah, Free People hoodie. $19. You couldn't even get just this if you were out on your own. I love this hoodie. I love this hoodie so much that I gave like rave reviews on it and they sent it to me later in gray. I really love that hoodie. And then this bra is super cute. Once again, very different than everything I've shown you thus far. You're noticing not a lot of overlap in style or color. I have been a member of Yoga Club for over 2 years now, and they still send me boxes of stuff I don't have. It's crazy. That's what happens when they're not sourcing. Oh, it's Glider. I was like, who is this by? When they're outsourcing everywhere, they're not just making their own one thing. And then this is actually a matching set. Here are the Glider pants that go with it. They're obviously a Capri. So this is an example of the postcard that comes in it. and talks about what's going on and how to get your box for $19. And this actually has an offer that they are doing with Yogi Secret, and these vary the offers that they have inside. And this is an offer with Yogi Surprise. So this is a coupon, how to get your box for pennies on the dollar, and they gave me this headband. So, I mean, at the least, you're getting the 3 things you paid for. And then every once in a while you get other things. Do you see the necklace I'm wearing? Got that also. They really, really, really do a crazy cool job. That's the part you've been waiting for. How do I get these boxes for $19? It's really, really simple. Right now, I'm gonna give you $10 to go sign up for your box. So it's gonna take it from $79 down to $69 instantly. You have to refer just 5 friends. You get $10 for each friend. Once you refer only 5 friends or strangers, I don't care who you refer, you lock your price in at $19. The first one, you automatically gonna drop down to $59. Then your second, you drop to $49, and so on and so on. All the way down to $19. You cannot go below $19 because, I mean, I don't even know how they're doing it at $19, but I do know $19 is where you lock in. And you lock in permanently. You don't have to resell every single month to regain that. Once you get to $19, you're at $19 for life. Of course, you can continue to still share your $10 off code with whomever you want so that your friends can get and do the same thing with their box. So obviously being a member for 2 years, I very quickly and early can lock my rate in and move on. And you guys can do the same thing too, especially you guys who actually teach. Any kind of class, anybody's out there at a YMCA or a community center of any sort, you guys can knock this out in a day, honestly, in a day, by just sharing with your friends an incredible deal. And the biggest reason Yoga Club does this, because it's the first thing I ask, like, why in the world would you do this? Is they are about bringing community amongst women. They want us doing things that make our life easy and getting into shape. So where I'm not really big into working out, I live an extraordinarily active life. And so wearing these clothes as my daily clothes allows me to keep up with the kids and to run around and do activities and be out in the yard working and working on my car and doing things. I can be out doing things. I am a huge fan of subscription boxes, obviously, but there are key ones that make real differences in my life. That's why I'm sitting here harping and going on and on about Yoga Club. And if you've been with my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love them. You know that I live, breathe, and eat Yoga Club. They just are doing a real thing for real people in a real way. And so they care about us, and so they make it possible to get the things we need to be the best mom and the best athlete or the best yogi, whatever it may be. And you do put that in. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier on the style profile, what type of workout you do. So if you're doing a lot of high impact stuff, they're not gonna send you a lounge bra like me. If you're a very large, heavy chested girlfriend, sister, they're not gonna send you a lounge bra. So don't look at this and be like, oh my gosh, I could never wear that. I've never received from them, I always joke, like the trainer bras, like the lacy, like who in the world's gonna wear that and when, and what is it gonna support? They really do send real gear that you really can live life in. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Yoga Club, thank you for making this possible. I hope you guys have an amazing day. We'll see you later. Bye, y'all.